Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add another account in Gmail. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Gmail. Once you open Gmail, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. And then you need to click on add another account. And then you need to click on Google. And here you need to click use password and enter your cell phone password. Once you complete that step, you simply need to put your email address here. So I'm going to put my email address. Okay, and then you need to enter your password. So I'm going to enter my password here, and then I need to click on I agree. So now it is loading, and let me show you another account. So you can see that the other account is also logged in. So this is a process by which you can add another account in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.